Settings and adjustments, startup, control board layout, jumper configuration, timeout relay, and speed control. The THT100 will be pre-configured by Booneatum and is ready for general use after proper installation. Setting up the THT100 for operation can be accomplished by using this simple startup procedure described below. Rotate the unit to its proper resting position. Turn power to the main control box on. The solenoid should engage and you will hear the locks pull in. The green LED on the MCB indicates the unit is ready for operation. At this point, the unit is ready for operation. Inside the control box, there will be a control board for each electrically controlled direction of the turnstile. On this board, you will have jumpers J2, J3, J4, and J7. You will have a small potentiometer to adjust the timeout duration, status LEDs D1, D2, D3, D11, and D12. D11 being a fault condition indicator, D12 being a normal operation indicator, D1 lock activated, D2 pulse trigger, D3 the pulse relay. Then you'll have a fail-safe, fail-lock jumper to configure the board for if the turnstile is going to be fail-safe or fail-lock. Fuses, two 1.5 amp fuses, and a serial port interface for access control via Wiegand if that is desired. The jumper configuration is set from the factory with a pulse and timeout circuits. J2 would be in the off position, J3 on terminals 1 and 2, J4 on terminals 1 and 2, and J7 on terminals 1 and 2. You can configure the turnstile in multiple different ways as shown on the chart. Configure the jumpers accordingly for the desired function. Timeout relay. The THT100 units are equipped with a timeout relay preset at the factory for approximately 8 to 10 seconds after a valid card read. To adjust this setting, carefully turn the potentiometer clockwise to minimize this time to 1 second or counterclockwise to increase this time to a maximum of 25 seconds. What this is timing out if I present a valid card, the turnstile will unlock. Without a timeout relay, the turnstile will remain unlocked until somebody goes through it. That could be 5 minutes, that could be all day. With the built-in timeout relay, the unit will time out and relock after the time adjusted on R1. Factory set at approximately 10 seconds. Speed control adjustment. The THT100 is equipped with an optional speed control system set during factory assembly but may require additional field adjustments to achieve the desired dampening during position cycle. The following procedure can assist in finalizing this setting. Rotate the unit until you can feel the dampening system take effect. If more dampening is necessary, turn the speed control adjustment wheel clockwise to increase the resistance. Too much dampening can cause the unit to break too early, which affects the throughput of the unit and may damage the equipment. If less dampening is necessary, turn the speed control adjustment wheel counterclockwise to decrease the amount of dampening. Too little dampening can result in the unit slamming against the locking system and may damage the equipment. Safety inspection and maintenance. All security equipment require a simple daily safety inspection to ensure the system is functioning properly. This test must be performed by the owner or facilities manager. Should any safety feature fail to pass the test, the unit must be disabled until repair is complete. It is recommended that a simple log of such inspections is kept for security and safety purposes. The daily inspection should consist of visually inspect the area for any trip hazards, broken glass, sharp edges, or other damage, inspect incoming and outgoing traffic scenarios, inspect the whole unit for unusual noise, present a valid card and manually rotate the unit in the authorized directions, verify that the traffic lights turn the appropriate colors if equipped with traffic lights. After passing through the unit, it should position and relock. Maintenance. It's recommended that a minimum weekly cleaning of the equipment be performed to assure proper operation and optimal function. Clean the exterior finish with a damp cloth. Special finishes can be damaged by abrasive cleaning agents. Clean optional Lexan panels with a soft cloth and mild soap. Do not use chemical or abrasive cleaners on Lexan pieces or Lexan units. Annual plan maintenance. It is recommended that a minimum of one planned maintenance inspection be performed on the equipment by an authorized Boone-Edom agent to assure proper operation and optimal function. Electrically, check the safety functions of the unit, the speed control, hill guards if equipped, and any other devices. Perform a functional test of the access control system. Check the operation of the solenoids. Check earth grounding. Check the electrical wiring for damage near moving parts. Mechanically, check the anchor mounting and fasten where needed. Check the movement of the bottom bearing and fasten when needed. Check the whole installation for correct alignment with the floor and its surroundings. Inspect mechanical positioning unit. Inspect the locking paws for wear. Ensure that they properly lock and hold. Inspect all key override functions. Inspect fire alarm functions. Inspect power failure functions. That will conclude the presentation. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email. Thank you for your attendance and have a great day.